What's going on and welcome back to Knife Life EDC. As you can tell in front of me, I have an EDC pouch. It is the Maxpedition. I've used this not as much as I like, but I usually take it on vacation. That's what I've been kind of using it for. And so I'm obviously used it for Texas months ago, and now I'm on my way to Florida this weekend, so I'm getting ready to pack this away. Um, with just stuff I'm going to be using, carrying, just everyday use that I'm going to probably maybe possibly use. You know, I may not use everything, but rather have it not need it than need it not have it. First off, I'm going to get out the Kunwu S towel. Obviously, I'm going to be taking this thing with me, but it's not going to be in my pouch. It's going to be on me. Obviously, I have to have a knife, in my pocket, so it will be this one because that's my fave right now. It's always my favorite. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, because it's just awesome. It's just amazing. I love that thing. But next up, I am going to be taking a few knives, and one I'm going to be taking is the Hogue Six Sauer K320, AXG. It's got that CPM S30V. I love this thing. It's super sharp. Like I've never sharpened it. I've only had to stroke it a few times, and it just keeps sharp. It's pretty slicey. And it's girthy, it's good and thick, and you're not gonna. I don't know. You feel like you got a good hand on it, if you know what I mean. You're not gonna slip. You're not gonna. I don't know. It's weird. It's a great sturdy knife. Great jimping, and it's gonna last. I feel like. Plus, you got that walnut texture inlay right there. Top notch right there. Top notch. Love it. So I'm kind of put it in there, and you guys can see what how I kind of set it up. I kind of put it where I kind of feel like it would be best, and I don't know. Someone may say something different, but that's everybody's different, right? Obviously, I'm gonna be taking a pin, and not just one, but two. This is the Chavez Ultramar. This is the first like real EDC pin I got, and I've loved it ever since. Definitely a little thicker, but not really a problem. It works real well. Love it. So of course I'm taking that guy. Plus it's got a skull on it, so that's cool. And this one is the um, tactile. Crap, I can't remember what it's called, but I know it's the space pin, the galaxy pin. Actually, is it written in there? It is tactile turn, I think galaxy pin or space pin. Crap, I can't even remember. But I know it's from Tactile Turn. How about that? But I bought this a few weeks ago, and I love it. It is a lot. Obviously, you can tell quite a bit slender compared to the Chavez, but sizes and everything, right? It is a little longer though, just a hairball. Um, I like the little slide clicker. That's kind of cool. Or not slide, side clicker. I said slide, my bad. But I like that pen. It's super light and it works really well. And it's obviously space, my favorite thing. Um, Next up, obviously a pry bar, and also obviously I might need little bits and everything like that. So it has a bit holder on it. There you go. Now you can see. So I got my bits, got my bit holder. So I like to put this one right in here because obviously it's got these little rubber bands on it too. You can't get that like it would fit, but then you got to try to get those rubber bands through there too to hold the bits down. I'm not going to fight with that life. This right here will work perfect for me right there, as you can see. There you go. Got it. And I like this little capsule. It's got some extra bits in there. It's supposed to be waterproof. I ain't tested that theory yet. I don't know. It's kind of cheap filling, but why not use it? Why not take it? It also has some extra little gaskets, or not gaskets, but like rubber bands for the pry bar and your extra bits just in case you need them. Let's put these guys back in here. Yeah, it says it's kind of waterproof. I don't know if it is or not. Like, it's a very cheap material, it felt like. But then again, it was super cheap to buy, so. And it just squeaked and it hurt my ears kind of just then, so that was not fun. But I'm just going to throw that in this guy right here. What else is there? Obviously, I want a little fixed blade just in case, and I'm going to take the CRKT Minimalist. I can't remember what this one is called. I've got like a few of them. I can't remember if this is like the Bowie. No, I don't think it's the Bowie. I can't remember. Arrowhead, something like that. Sure, but I really like this one. It's a lot thicker, not a lot thicker, but here, let's show you. It's easier to show you than just say, hey, believe me. As you can tell, it's a little thicker, like the tang. Crap, I can't remember the word, but it is I cannot remember anything. I've been sleep deprived lately, guys, just so you all know. Been working like 14-hour days and then doing schoolwork and then trying to do a video real quick right before vacation. It's full tang, by the way. Full tang. There, I got through it. But it is obviously thicker, which I do like. I'm not worried about like breaking or anything like that. They're both full tang, obviously, but this one's quite a bit thicker. Now that I can show you a little better, now that my words are back. So I like that. I'm sorry, like, bear with me, y'all. Like, it's just been a rough week. And I still got tomorrow to go through, so we'll see how that goes. Putting this bad boy right in there. There you go, out of the way, kind of. Obviously, I'm going to take a couple other knives. One being the CJRB Wharncliffe Pyrite. Love this thing. I love the little carbon fiber inlay. And also on this side, it kind of makes me remember, like reverse tux. I love the reverse tux look, silver, black. It looks good to me. I like it, so I'm obviously going to take it. And plus, even on this side with the inlay, looks cool too. And it's a Wharncliffe, so why not? Love it. And it's a thumb opener. So, of course, got to take it. Shove that right in there. I guess before I do that, I do want to take a charger. Obviously, I'm going to be driving. And I want a charger. Usually, obviously, car ports, whatever, they have the USB port. And so my phone, I won't have any problems with it. I always have a block for it also, though. That's always in the car just in case I need to take it somewhere. So I have that in the car. My other knife is going to be the Kunwu Pulsar. Another one I love by Kunwu. I got another one coming too, and I'm about trying to buy another one. So I'm going to hopefully have 4 Kunwus before the next couple weeks. Hopefully. I really like Kunwu. I really like their product. They make great stuff, and that's why I carry them all the time. But we're going to put this bad boy right here. I think I say bad boy quite a bit too. Usually when I think I'm going to talk about knives, got to talk about them bad boys. I kind of wanted to, obviously got pens, so I wanted to take a little notebook just in case I needed to jot something down real quick. It's just a Write in the Rain. I've been using these since I was in the Army. Obviously, I haven't been using this one in forever. But I've been using them since I was in the Army, and they've never failed me yet, so hopefully they won't, and they work very well. I like them. What else do we have? I am going to be taking a flashlight and 2 flashlights, just in case. Just in case something happens to the other one, I always like to have a backup. This is the ThruNite Archer Pro V2. Really like this one. This is my main carry right now that I've been carrying probably the past week, I usually go between these two and another one, but that's why I'm taking these two, obviously. But this has been my main one as of the past couple weeks. So obviously I'm taking that one with me. Love that thing. And this is honestly, I used this a lot when I first got it. I haven't it in a while, but I kind of like the bolt action thing. It's like a knife, but you can fidget with it, but it's a flashlight instead. So I like that. It's cool. But I didn't say this is the Rider RX titanium version. Love it. Oh, it's by Ace Beam also. So that's pretty much it, except for one thing. I don't know about a lot of people. When you put your stuff in there all nice, and obviously you have some titanium, some other stuff in there, you don't want to scratch everything up. And one thing I like to do, I don't know if other people do, obviously I like to take a cloth with me just in case, wipe stuff off, wipe knives off or whatever. So I usually take a couple little cleaning cloths, so I always do this with them just to make sure I don't have any problems with stuff getting scratched up, because you put your money into this stuff and you want to try to keep it as nice as possible, I like to think. Plus, I'm a little OCD sometimes with stuff. So, there you go. I have a couple cleaning cloths just in case. And they separate the gear from this side to this side. I obviously know what's in this side already. So, I'm not worried about covering it up, getting it scratched up, stuff like that, obviously. So, let's close it up, see if it works. Because I actually did not try this beforehand, and it works. So there you go. You got everything in there. You can take it wherever you need to. Obviously, I'm taking mine to Florida. Need to get a couple patches right there. But yeah, that's what I got. I don't know if you guys have any suggestions about what you would change about it or put in there. Just leave it in the comment section. If you liked the video or found something kind of intriguing about it, give it a thumbs up, please. I'd greatly appreciate it. And the algorithm does too. All right, thank you very much.